Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the Ionic mobile app development platform. Ionic offers a compelling approach to mobile app development. As an open-source UI toolkit, Ionic empowers developers to build high-performing, cross-platform applications using familiar web technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This means you can develop apps for iOS, Android, and the web from a single code base, a significant advantage for web developers looking to transition to mobile without needing to master Swift or Kotlin. One of Ionic's greatest strengths lies in its extensive library of pre-built, mobile-optimized UI components and themes. These components are designed to be responsive and adaptive, ensuring your app maintains a native look and feel across various devices. Furthermore, Ionic integrates seamlessly with popular front-end frameworks like Angular, React, and Vue, providing flexibility in your development workflow. Ionic also incorporates Capacitor, a robust cross-platform runtime. Capacitor simplifies access to native device APIs, like camera, GPS, and file storage, without requiring deep native coding knowledge. Deployment and testing are streamlined through Ionic AppFlow, a cloud-based suite offering CI/CD, live updates, and app publishing capabilities. Ionic is particularly well-suited for startups, SMEs, and enterprises seeking to optimize development time and costs without compromising user experience quality. Its speed and iterative capabilities also make it a popular choice for developers building MVPs or internal business tools. In my own experience, Ionic's documentation and community support have been outstanding, facilitating troubleshooting and project scaling. While Ionic may not be the optimal solution for graphically demanding applications like high-end games, it excels in a wide range of other use cases, from e-commerce platforms to healthcare apps. In short, Ionic provides a robust, developer-friendly ecosystem for building professional-grade mobile applications efficiently. If versatility, scalability, and speed are your priorities, Ionic is definitely worth exploring. Check the description for links to get started.